In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. If you want to get rid of your search bar, here's how to do it in a few seconds. All you need to do is hold it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Additionally, if you are interested how to restore it, I can show you how right now. Just hold your display, tap Widgets at the bottom in the middle, and look for a Google app on the left. When you find it, tap on it and click on your search bar. Now choose Done at the top right corner. And with your search bar ready, it's time to adjust it. You can hold it and move it wherever you want to. And use those two dots on the side to resize it. When you're done with all of your changes, tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!